Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the 6 basic nutrients and how they affect your body. You hear about them all the time: carbs, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, water. But what do they actually? Understanding these nutrients is for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about counting calories, it's about fueling your body the way. We're going to break down each nutrient, explore their benefits, and I'll give you some tips on how to make sure you're getting enough of each. This is your body's ultimate user manual, so stay tuned. First up, let's talk about carbohydrates, often demonized, but actually your body's primary source of energy. Think of carbs like the gas in your car. They fuel your muscles, brain, and organs. Now, not all carbs are created equal. You've got your complex carbs, found in foods like whole grains, brown rice, and veggies. These are like the premium fuel. They break down slowly, providing long-lasting energy. On the other hand, we've got simple carbs found in sugary drinks, processed foods, and refined grains. These guys are like putting regular gas in a sports car. They give you a quick burst of energy, but then you crash. That's why it's important to focus on those complex carbs. They keep your energy levels stable, preventing those sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish. Next, we have proteins, the true MVPs of growth and repair. Imagine proteins as those tiny construction workers in your body, constantly building and repairing tissues, muscles, enzymes, and even hormones. They're essential for growth, especially in children and teens, and for healing from injuries. Ever notice how athletes load up on protein? That's because it helps repair those micro-tears in muscles after a tough workout, making them stronger. But it's not just about building muscles. Proteins also play a key role in your immune system. Antibodies, those little warriors that fight off infections, are actually made of protein. So, not getting enough protein can weaken your immune response, making you more susceptible to getting sick. Now let's talk about fats. I know, the word fat often gets a bad rap. But trust me, not all fats are created equal, and your body actually fat to function properly. Think of healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, as essential nutrients that provide energy, support cell growth, protect your organs, and even help your body absorb certain vitamins. These good fats are like having a well-oiled machine. They support brain health, heart health, and even help keep your skin glowing. However, like with everything else, moderation is key. Consuming too much saturated and trans fats, found in processed foods and fried foods, can lead to weight gain, high cholesterol, and increase your risk of heart disease. Let's move on to vitamins, those microscopic powerhouses that play a huge role in keeping your body running smoothly. Think of vitamins as the essential workers behind the scenes, ensuring everything from your vision to your immune system is in tip-top shape. Each vitamin has its own unique function. For example, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and leafy greens, is like your immune system's best friend, boosting your body's ability to fight off infections. Then you have vitamin D, which we get from sunlight and certain foods like fatty fish. Vitamin D acts like a lock and key with calcium, helping your body absorb it efficiently to build strong bones. And let's not forget about vitamin A, crucial for maintaining good vision, especially night vision. You can find it in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Next up, we have minerals. These often overlooked nutrients are just as important as vitamins, working behind the scenes to keep your body functioning at its best. Minerals like calcium, found in dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, are essential for building strong bones and teeth. Think of calcium as the building block for your skeletal system. Iron, found in red meat, beans, and lentils, is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body. It's like a delivery truck, ensuring all your cells get the oxygen they need to function properly. And then there's potassium, found in bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes. Potassium is like an electrolyte superhero, helping regulate your heartbeat, muscle function, and fluid balance. Last but certainly not least, we have the foundation of it all. Water. It's no exaggeration to call it the elixir of life. Every single cell in your body relies on water to function. Think of water as your body's internal cleaning crew. It flushes out toxins, transports nutrients, regulates body temperature, and even lubricates your joints. When you don't drink enough water, you become dehydrated, which can lead to a whole host of problems. You might experience fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even constipation. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining focus, aiding in digestion, and ensuring your physical performance is on point. So make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day. So there you have it, a crash course on the 6 essential nutrients your body needs to thrive. Remember, taking care of your health isn't about restriction, it's about making informed choices that nourish your body from the inside out. By focusing on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and of course, staying hydrated, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and hydrated.